All right, thank you for watching. We're just gonna do a quick review. Let me show you how, oh, she's too quick for me. Just show you that it does thicken up after it sits for a little bit. But this is a homemade fresh salsa with tomatoes, onions, garlic, basil.
That's good.
Is it?
You need some spice, some more. It needs to be spicier.
Well, I didn't put any spices in. I put a little sugar in it.
No, it needs to be spicier.
Well, she likes hot things. But yeah, I would agree if you want something with spice and heat, then you would just add like jalapenos or peppers. But I didn't add any of that in it. So, but overall, it's good. Good. All right. We appreciate it if you would support our channel, like and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.